Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. This is review of sentences. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, now let's begin. Today we are going to revise some simple sentences that we have learned. Now let's greet. Hello. In Urdu we say Assalamu alaikum. We ask and say, how are you? And in Urdu we say, आपका क्या हाल है? We reply and say, I am fine, thank you. In Urdu we say, मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. How are you? आपका क्या हाल है? I am fine, thank you. मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. We ask someone's name, we say, what is your name? In Urdu we say, आपका क्या नाम है? आपका क्या नाम है? We tell our name. In English we say, my name is Amna. And in Urdu we say, मेरा नाम Amna है. Whatever your name is, of course you are going to say that. So, now it's your turn. आपका क्या नाम है? Alright, that is great. So, here we are. We tell our age. We say, I am 5 years old. In Urdu we say, मैं 5 साल की हूँ. If you are a girl, you are going to say, मैं 5 साल की हूँ. And if you are a boy, you are going to say, मैं 5 साल का हूँ. Girl says, मैं 5 साल की हूँ. Boy says, मैं 5 साल का हूँ. We say, when we are telling who we are, we say, if you're a girl, then you're going to say, I am a girl. In Urdu we say, मैं लड़की हूँ. मैं लड़की हूँ. And if you are a boy, then say, I am a boy. मैं लड़का हूँ. मैं लड़का हूँ. So let's learn to say how to tell your brother's name. You say, for example, my brother's name is Isaac, or my brother's name is Usman. So we say, मेरे भाई का नाम इसहाक है, और मेरे भाई का नाम उस्मान है. Alright, so when we are happy or we are sad, we say, in English we say, if we are happy, I am happy. In Urdu we say, मैं खुश हूँ. मैं खुश हूँ. And if we are telling that we are sad, in English we say, I am sad. I am sad. And Urdu we say, मैं उदास हूँ. मैं उदास हूँ. So we say, if we are saying I and you, in Urdu we say, मैं और आप. I is मैं, and is और, you is आप. I and you, मैं और आप. So let's ask and say, what is this? So we ask a question about something. If you want to know what that thing is, we say, what is this? So in Urdu we say, ये क्या है? ये क्या है? What is this? ये क्या है? For example, we say, and reply and say to what is this. Suppose there is that animal there. So we say, this is a cat. So in Urdu we say, ye billi hai. Alright, then let's ask and answer, okay? What is this? Ye kya hai? The picture, you can see what is this? Ye kya hai? This is a nose. Ye naak hai. Remember, nose is naak. So the question is, what is this? The answer is, this is a nose. So the question is, ye kya hai? So answer is, ye naak hai. Similarly, let's ask and tell again, what is this? Ye kya hai? You can see there is a finger there. So we answer and say, this is a finger. In Urdu we say, ye ungli hai. So what is this? So answer is, this is a finger. Question is in Urdu, ye kya hai? Answer is, ye ungli hai. Alright, so I hope that you have revised it and now you know how to say these simple sentences in Urdu. So here we are ending our lesson. Just tell me, what is this? This is a star. Remember, star is sitara. So how are you going to say, what is this? You're going to say, this is a star. So in Urdu we say, ye kya hai? The reply is, ye sitara hai. Alright, so here we are going to end our lesson. This was the review of sentences. I will see you into the next lesson. Do watch this video and repeat many times for practice. All the best. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you again. Till next time, Allah Hafiz.